Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to see your Twitter password on smartphone. So you will not able to see your password on Twitter application or X account. So you must log in first on your Google Chrome browser. After that you'll able to see your password. So go to your Google Chrome browser. You can use this on PC or smartphone, and then tap here the three dot right top corner on your screen. Simply tap the three dot and scroll down, then the last option settings, simply tap on the settings and scroll down again. Then here you'll see the option password manager, this one, simply tap here. Once you tap here, then you have to search here Twitter or X account, and you have to give your log password. Then you can see it's your Twitter account. So if you tap the eye icon, then you will see your password here. So this way you can see your Twitter password and any other website password this way. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Today's no more, and see you in the next video.